Today I wanted to show you hydrogen peroxide under the microscope. I was curious to see if hydrogen peroxide is a good disinfectant. Here I have some pond water that's been sitting on the shelf for over a week. As you'll soon see, there's plenty of bacteria in the sample. Here at 100 magnification, we can see plenty of things darting around. Here at 500 magnification, I zoomed in on this diatom. And at 1000 magnification, we can see plenty of rod-shaped bacteria moving around. Now back at 100 magnification, as I added the hydrogen peroxide, you can see the wave clearly wash over the slide. Right away we see bubbles form as the hydrogen peroxide comes in contact with an enzyme called catalase, which is an enzyme found in most organisms. It is known to catalyze H2O2 into water and oxygen. So what you are seeing is oxygen bubbles being formed. It appears the hydrogen peroxide has killed all the organisms and bacteria. Until the next micro minute, thanks for watching.